Hey everyone, welcome to another OBS fix video. The reason why I make another new version, because well, we have a new version of OBS, and I figure it's better to make a new video about this new version, how to fix the black screen for your display capture, game capture, and everything else. Because the new version actually makes your life a bit easier. Oh, by the way, for the recording, I'm actually using Streamlab Desktop to record because if I'm recording using OBS, well, I won't be able to show you the display capture and the game capture at the same time if I'm using the display capture of the OBS to capture my display. So, well, anyways, for OBS 27.2.4, this version is the latest version I have. Currently, 2020 April. Now, if you're watching this video and your OBS is not up to date, well, please pause the video and quickly update your OBS to the latest version. Well, actually, you only need to be 27 above, but just update to the latest version. Come on, that's the best way to use any software you're using. So if you've been watching my video in the past, you see I talk about something about, oh yeah, you have to change the graphic setting for display capture, for game capture. Well, that is true to some extent. If your CPU has a onboard graphics card, which is what I have here, the Intel i5 chip has a onboard graphics card, there's two different options for the graphics. Power saving, which is using Intel because it draws less power, and high performance, while the actual GPU, my GTX 1650 Ti, the real graphics card, more power, better performance. Well, as you can see right now, I set it to high performance. And before, if I tell you if I'm using high performance, well, the display capture for the OBS Studio should be black. Why does it work now? Well, because 27 version up for OBS. In their display capture property, there's a new selection of capture method. Essentially, capture method, well, by default, it's going to be automatic. So it's going to automatically choose what to use to capture your screen. Now, here's the thing. I do have a onboard GPU on my CPU i5. So I'm not too sure for those of you that does not have a graphics card on your CPU, what will happen. But what I read from OBS release form is if you choose, well, if you have Windows 10, obviously, Windows 10 above, for the capture method, as long as you choose Windows 10, you will be able to record your display no matter what graphics card you are using. And to be honest, if you just open display capture, you could capture games and it's automatic, don't change it because I mean if it works, don't even bother to touch it. If it's only black screen, well, you want to make sure you're using the Windows 10 for the capture method. And let's quickly fire up Minecraft just to show you that if I switch to game capture, it will still be able to capture the game I told it to capture. And one thing you might notice if you're trying to capture Minecraft is while you play the game full screen, sometimes if you exit the full screen or you switch different screen to do something else, the game tends to crash. And that's just because, well, unfortunately, Minecraft doesn't like to share things with other people. When you play Minecraft full screen, it's using your GPU, or if you don't have a GPU, you're using your CPU, which is quite concerning. Because if you try to play the game while doing recording only using your CPU, unless you're trying to cook an egg on your CPU, please don't do that to your computer. That's torturing. That's not nice for them. But anyways, let's just wait for the game to fire up, and it's up, so I don't want to capture full screen, so let's actually capture a specific window and choose Minecraft 1.18.2, and there we go. So you can see this is my Minecraft screen and it's capturing, but if I switch back to display capture, I can still capture my display. And so this is Minecraft. Oh, of course, if you switch the specific window to full screen, it won't be an issue. And here you go. You see, game crashed. Unexpected issue, the game crashed. The crash may be caused by invalid Java runtime configuration. So whenever you see this change, you saw this error message. Well, if you know how to read the crash report, I mean, go ahead, because that's going to tell you what happened and why it crashed. But it's just basically, I tried to switch between different windows, and the GPU doesn't really like that. But if you start recording, well, but let's say you launch the game and make sure the recording screen is up, like it's okay, it's running, you can see the game, and you hit start recording, and you could just hop back to the game. As long as you don't change to different things, you will be fine. And now a different games, Overwatch, just to prove for different games. Let's quickly launch up Overwatch and hit play. Oh, let's not show how many friends I have, because, privacy reasons. So yeah, for this new version of Minecraft, it's not Minecraft, this OBS new version, very conveniently, for the display capture, all you need to do is just make sure under property, your capture, oh, nope, that's my camera. Your display property, the capture method is Windows 10. And where's my game capture? There we go. Where's my Overwatch? There's my Overwatch. Make sure I got on it a little bit. Everything's good. Go back to the main screen. There we go. Game capture working. Display capture also works. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, everyone. This close to the summertime, I have got more time free, so I might set up some live stream for every single week at a specific time frame where I'll be giving you guys help to fix your OBS Studio black screen options if you still couldn't fix your OBS black screen after watching the video. So I'll be announcing the time for those very shortly in the future. You can stay tuned to my channel, subscribe so you don't miss those updates. What will happen is I'll be live on YouTube during the time, and you could join my Discord server and let me know what kind of help do you need. The only reason why I asked you to join the Discord server or now to add me on Discord is just once I finish helping you, whether I did or did not successfully, if you want to leave the server, you can. If you want to stay, feel free. And it's just so that I don't have to guess every single friend I have on the Discord who they are. So yeah, hope this video helps. If it does, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Everything helps. I'm a growing channel little by little. I see a bright future for myself. With your help, we could get there. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.